I know. You see all these people on social media making all these claims that they are making all this money online, selling digital products, working a 2 to 3 hour work day, getting their time back, quitting their 9 to 5s, but you still don't take action. Well, that was me. I was in the exact same shoes that you are over a year ago, but I did take action, and this is why. I'm going to take you through very simple reasons why I actually did take action, because I think that there are so many of you out there who are in the same boat. So I want to take you through my thought process and exactly where you are today so you can get past the hurdle and take action in 2025. These are going to be very quick, 3 simple tips that will help you get over that hump. So stay tuned because I want to help you understand this entire process. If we haven't met, I'm Jennifer, your oldie but goodie, and I help people make money online. I'm a Gen Xer, so I'm over 50, and I think that we have just this general cynicism about things because we've been through so much in our lives. So, we were always taught that if it sounds too good to be true, it is too good to be true. But I am proof that there is some truth if you dig through all of the other stuff. So let's break it down. The first thing is mindset. Like I said, we're all cynical. But if you get to the mindset of this can be possible, it very well may be true, it's something that I should look at, that I should give a chance, then you'll get over that hump. And that's what I had to do. Because for a long, long time, I just scrolled through all the crap. And I'm like, yeah, right. But then I stopped myself one day and said, what do I have to lose? I had to get past that mindset and give it an opportunity to prove itself wrong, which is what I did. So get past the mindset and at least give it a chance for yourself. This is for you, all for you. And that's why I continue to talk about it, because I want to help as many people as I can realize that it is possible. So mindset, key. As Gen Xers, we were taught also that if it sounds too good to be true, it is too good to be true. And that's where I was too. It's like, wow, yeah, right. Somebody's making thousands of dollars online selling digital products that some people didn't even create. They're reselling a digital product that someone else made, and they're getting 100% profits. Sounds too good to be true. Again, I go back to research. And I've done most of that for you because I did find a program that is all those things, and it is true. And even though it sounds too good to be true, I know it is true. So get past that mentality of if it sounds too good to be true, then it isn't true, because it can be. The last one is the biggest one, and it is the cost of doing nothing. Getting into the digital growth community is very inexpensive, very affordable for anyone to get into. So if you're doing nothing, you're simply sitting on the sidelines and watching other people be successful. And I couldn't stand that personally. I was like, you know what? If that person who is honestly mediocre is doing that well, then I can do it too, because I know my work ethic. I know I'm going to give it everything I can. I know I'm going to learn everything possible, and I'm going to make it happen. So that is the cost of not doing anything, is hurting you more than the cost to just try. I told you this was going to be a quick video because I want to take you through my thought process, and I know your thought process as you're looking at this digital world. But it is the wave of the future, folks. Don't say that this is a scam or you can't do it or there's too much technology, because none of that is true, because all of us over 50 can do this. So that's my message for today. It's not too good to be true. I want to help you get there. Please subscribe to my channel. I give you down-to-earth tips and tricks on how to make money online, and starting with a digital product that somebody else made that you can make 100% profits on is the best baseline I've ever seen. and it has helped me do so much more with my business. So check it out in the description, the Digital Growth Community. You can also set up a free call with me and we'll talk about anything you want. The Digital Growth Community, other digital products, other ways to make money online, because I have multiple sources of income, so I can help you through some of that thought process. And I love talking to people about making money online. So that's it. Take the chance. Take the chance on you. Make 2025 the best year ever, where you actually step out of your comfort zone and make it happen. And I'm here to help you.